What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be upgrading the Escape's headlights. These things are pretty nasty. They've seen their days. I prefer the sport looking headlights with the black housing, so we're going to be throwing some of those in. That's Amazon special. And then we also have Sealight LED headlights and fog lights to throw in there because I was so impressed with the last ones. I'm definitely putting them in this. We're gonna throw them in, and she should be able to definitely see the light. Wow. So anyway, there's gonna be a discount code down in the description for you guys for Sealight LED headlights. Give you a percentage off if you want to get some yourself. So let's go ahead and get this bumper off and get those headlights off. So this comes off really easy. I don't know if you guys remember. I did the timing chain, front cover reseal, obviously oil pan, new oil pan because the bolt was stripped out from an oil change place, but new let's see, new my beautiful wife texted me like crazy. That's all right. New AC condenser and transmission cooler. It's a combo unit. So did that. Did a compressor. Did all the lines. Was gonna do the expansion valve. Didn't. Put it back together. Did pull a vacuum on it. Charged it. And definitely the evap core started leaking, so that was definitely a bad day. But anyway, evacuated it or recovered it anyway, and now we got to do one of those. But that's a later project. It's wintertime now, so the headlights ready to come out. Just want to show you how easy they are to take off. This front bumper comes off with only a couple bolts and maybe 6 bolts and a bunch of push pins. The headlights, you got a bolt there, a nut there, a bolt there, or no, a nut here and a bolt there, and then a bolt down there, and the whole thing comes right out. So we're replacing the horns too while we're here because the low note has left the chat. So I tried tapping on it when I had it off before, and no dice. So we're gonna put some FAMs on there, factory style horns. But I want to show you these. I'm doing the fog lights in the bumper right now. Got me a nice stand. That was the Facebook Marketplace score, $15. That's like a $100 stand. These are weird. I mean, I've done these before, the OEs, but you basically got to break them to take them out. But look at how nice that is. 5202 is the number for the fog light. Look at all the trouble they went to make that right and work. And that's gonna be bright. It's gonna be so nice. So, and also fanless, which is good. And the wheel well covers it, so there's gonna be no dirt. And I'm gonna break that one out. Factory light. Factory lights are just not anything to write home about. They're basically like little candles. So, but it'd be nice because out here in the country, we get a lot of deer and everything, and it's good to have those ditch lights, and the fog lights work good for that. So, but otherwise, running good. Oil's super clean. My Duralast engine mount's still good. That's surprising. Yeah, we'll get into doing. Springtime rolls around a little bit before then. I'm gonna rip the dash out, put an expansion valve in, and finish up the AC. It held vacuum too. It's just one of them things when you get a system that's been charged and charged and charged by who knows who for so long because it had a leak. It had a bad condenser. This stuff happens. So it'll all be new for her and she'll be all good to go. 191,000 miles, still trucking. And I am gonna do that subframe video where I show you how I'm gonna put an elbow on that drain down there for a subframe, so it won't the AC won't drip on it. But it ain't dripping right now because it doesn't work. So Haven't been doing anything with it, so I will eventually. All right, let me get these in the bumper and then get these headlights out and show you those. All right, so I replaced the ambers, all turn signal bulbs. See the paint falls off them after a while, starts flaking. And these guys, I like running ambers instead of the just regular clear ones. It comes through the lens nicer, in my opinion. The horns, the bracket wasn't the same, even though Amazon told me it was. I know you're like, whoa. But the pigtail plugs right in, so that's cool. And I used the new nuts. So I just swapped everything over. The horns sound a lot better now. So we're gonna get to putting the headlights in and go from there. There's the headlights, also fanless. Actually, those have fans, I do believe. Nope, these do have fans. Says the first fan-driven ones, or fan-cooled ones I've seen. Come with these little, I don't know if they're drivers for the fans or they're, I know they're not ballasts, probably. But give you nice little adhesive strips to glue those on the back of the headlight. And they give you white gloves, so that's pretty cool. There's part number for the horn if you guys want. You just have to reuse your old bracket, but it works great. Alright, let's get these in. Well, I think that speaks for itself. Looks great. She's gonna be real happy. Very nice. I took the front plate bracket off too, so she can see the light now.